Hello, welcome to Maths with Ish. Today I'm going to show us how we can easily interpret sets that are written in algebraic forms such as this. Okay, so now any set written in this form has these frameworks. Okay, it has this framework. We have the rule, the description, and the range of values. So for example, let's take a look at this set P. This set P, the rule here is 2x, and then it has no description, but it has a range of values. So they gave us the range of values from 1 to 5. Okay, now the second one has the rule is given to us, x plus 1, and then it also does not have a description, but it has the range of values. The range of values for x is given from 2 to 8. Okay, and then the last one has the rule is x. It has the description. The description is that x is odd, and then it has the range of value. The range of value is from 1 to 10. Okay, so this is just the basic framework of sets written in such form. Now, another thing we have to know is, let's see how we can read set like this. So this can be read as P is the set of 2x such that anytime you see this column, this means you read it as such that, okay, such that 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 5. Then anytime you see a comma like this comma means where. This comma, where. Okay, WHER. So this means we can read this as Z is a set of x such that x is odd, where 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to this. So this is just the basic framework of how a typical set in this form looks like. Now, this rule, what does this rule mean? This rule simply tells us about in fact, this rule is like the formula. It's the formula to use to list out all the elements in the set. So for example, the rule here says 2x, that's the rule. And it simply means that if you take each of the values of this range, all the values of x from this range, so when x is 1, we are going to have 2. Answer will be 2, which means this will form the first element in this set P. We have 2. So the next after 1 is 2. So when x is 2, we are going to have 4. Are you seeing that? And then when x is 3, we are going to have 2 times 3, that's 6. Are you seeing how it's forming the list now? And then when x is 4, 2 times 4, that gives us 8. And then when x is 5, we're going to have 2 times 5, and that is 10. So you can see this rule has helped us to get the list of elements that makes up this set P. So likewise, we're also going to do for this set Q. Okay, so set Q, the rule given to us in set Q is x plus 1. So let's use this rule again using the range. Now, if you look at the range here, we do not have less than or equal to. So this is not like this. We have 2 less than and then x less than or equal to 8. So what we are going to do at this moment is that we are not going to include these 2. Normally our range is supposed to be from 2 to 8, but because you're having less than, so we are going to start from 3. Okay, so when x is 3, we're going to have 3 plus 1, and that gives us the first element in this, and that is 4. And then we go again when x is 4, and that gives us 5, and then we continue till we get to 8. When s is 8, we're going to have what? 9. So that's how to list the element. So this is just the idea on how to get. So let's look at the last one. The last one says X. The rule there is just X. The rule is just X. Okay, so just take the range of values. Now, but there's a description. This description is that X is odd. So despite the fact that we're having from 1 to 10, we are only going to pick out the odd numbers because that's what the description of this rule is saying. Okay, so when X for this set Z, we're going to pick X, which means we start from 1. The rule is just X, so just pick out the numbers or the range here. So after X, the next odd number is going to be what? 3. The next odd number is going to be 5. The next 7, and the next 9. So we are not going to take this 10, even though the range is given to us from 1 to 10. We are not going to take this 10 because of this description on it. But the description says what? X is odd. So this is how to our list of elements. Thanks for watching. Bye.